Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dynamic, powerful vinyasa yoga flows for strength and mobility. So we're going to start in a tabletop, and we're going to do what's called floating tabletop side reach. So come to hands and knees in tabletop, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Tuck the toes, float the knees. Now you're going to take a deep breath in. Tap your right toes to the right and reach the left arm to the left. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, tap the left toes to the left. Reach the right arm to the right. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, tap. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, tap. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, tap. Exhale, bring it back. And practice about 10 of these. If you practice about 10 rounds on a regular basis, you will start to notice increased strength and mobility in your whole body.